We are living in an era where people are always using single-use plastic, using only for minutes and dump it after. Also, the high rate of deforestation makes us think, what's the solution can we offer? Hi, I'm Kenny. I am the COO of Plana. Instead of making a single-use recycled items, we are giving you the innovative solutions for these problems by making Plana Wood, a new material as a substitute of wood made from plastic waste and husk. We are helping the planet by reducing the amount of plastic waste, by avoiding deforestation, by giving more prosperity to local farmers. Why Plana Wood? We are 100% recyclable even after use. We are reusable. We are custom made. We don't use adhesive chemicals for the installation.